All right, so we've got a deluxe package here today, which includes the sanitizer, carpet protector, full regular multi-step cleaning process, and deodorizer as well. It smells amazing in here right now. I've applied those. I've already agitated and scrubbed the carpet, so this is the last step of our VLM process, which is very low moisture, and we'll allow it to dry. And let's take a look. I've already gone over a lot of this once. I'm going to flip the pad over, but I want to show you just what this looks like here, so you can see the dirt that has been extracted on just the first pass right here. Check that out. Look how much has come out. So now we're going to do the second pass. Flip this over here and go over it one more time. And then we'll groom the carpet, which means I'll rake it out, make it look real nice, and help it dry very quickly. These are the couches. They're the sectional. It's in the middle of the process of drying right now, so it's a little bit splotchy. You can see where it's still wet, but it is coming out very nicely. You can see just how nice and smooth this fabric is. And again, deodorizer, sanitizer, there was dog marks all over this, blood, no real urine, but I think there was some blood, a lot of slobber, and these are really coming out nice here. So that's what we're doing today. Let me hit this with the last step here, and we'll about be done.